When your pay is cut without warning, the impact is immediate. Bills pile up, stress rises, and your family feels it too. But here's what most employees don't realize. There are strict laws about when an employer can and cannot reduce your pay. Knowing the difference could protect not only your paycheck, but your future. While employers do have some power to change your pay, it is limited. By law, here are some examples of things your employer cannot do.
Reduce your pay without advance notice.
Pay you below minimum wage. Reduce your salary below the threshold required for exemption. Withhold overtime you've already earned. Cut pay in retaliation for taking FMLA leave, blowing the whistle, or serving jury duty. Reduce wages based on race, gender, disability, or any other protected trait. Retroactively lower wages for hours you've already worked. Nor can they violate a contract or bargaining agreement. Aside from these protections, employers may reduce wages by any amount as long as they're following the law. And while notice is required, the law doesn't give a specific time frame. That uncertainty is where many employers cross the line. On the other hand, there are some instances where employers may legally reduce pay. For example, with advance notice, they may reduce pay going forward, but it depends on the reason why. But here's the key. Every situation is different, and the smallest detail can make the difference between a legal pay cut and an unlawful one. That's why it's so important to talk with an experienced employment lawyer. What may look legal at first glance could actually violate your rights. And one more thing, time matters. Under the Fair Labor Standards Act, you generally have 2 years to file a wage claim, and up to 3 years if your employer willfully broke the law. Waiting too long can cost you the chance to recover what you've lost. That's why it's critical to act quickly if you suspect your rights were violated. An illegal pay cut isn't just about losing income, it shakes your sense of security, leaving you anxious about the future. At Wenzel Fenton Cabassa, we understand the frustration and the fear that comes with an illegal pay cut. That's why we fight with both compassion and determination, giving you the guidance, the strength, and the advocacy you need to reclaim your rights and your peace of mind. Wenzel Fenton Cabassa has been recognized by best lawyers in America for over a dozen years in a row. Our firm has recovered over $100 million for more than 9,000 clients, known for aggressive, effective legal advocacy. Your employer has a lawyer, and you should too. The statute of limitations is ticking. Contact us today for a free, confidential case evaluation. Visit wfclaw.com or call us at 866-584-6022. Not members or employees of the firm. Dramatization, not actual events. This content is for informational purposes only. Past results do not guarantee similar outcomes, as results vary by case and depend on their specific facts.